aalis.
Pero saan ka pupunta?
Pupunta ako sa bundok ng mga masasamang Igorot para sila'y talunin.
Pero ito'y lubhang delikado.
Hindi ko alam kailan ako babalik. Mangako ka sa akin, iingatan mo ang ating anak at ang iyong sarili. Ah!
When Ina Namongan gave birth, she was surprised to see her child grow up instantly. Her child then spoke to her.
Ina, nais kong pangalanan mo akong Lamang.
Lamang, as she was named, asked for his father's presence.
Ina, nasaan ang aking ama? Simula nang ako'y pinanganak, hindi ko pa siya nakita.
Simula nang ika'y pinanganak, siya nagpunta sa kabundukan.
Ngunit anong ginagawa niya ron?
Siya nagpunta roon para parusahan ang mga masasamang tribo ng Igorot.
Ina, talaga mo pumunta ng kabundukan. Kailangan ko sundan ng aking ama. Kailangan ko malaman ko anong nangyari sa kanya ron.
Tatandaan mo, mag-iingat ka.
Salamat po, Ina.
Went forth. On his way, Lamang decided to take a rest for a while. As he was sleeping, Lamang had a dream. He dreamed of the Igorot having a feast. They were celebrating for the death of his father. Up. He was very angry. Lamang sought for revenge. He went out to reach for the Igorot tribe for revenge. When he returned home, he was so tired that he wanted to bathe. Rhine River, which was instantly drenched in mud and blood. So fitly was the flow that the fishes in the river died.
Yan, Mate! Habang ready pa ako, ang lamig!
Take.
Kailangan magpasikat sa lahat. Kailangan mapasakan si Ines Canoyan.
Oh, ano nangyari?
Oh, ano nangyari? Amang, nais ko po sana ipagpaalam ang kami ng inyong ama. Nais ko po kami magkama.
Bago ko'y pagkatiwala ng aking anak, maaaring kapatan mo muna aming yaman.
Susunod po. Gabi, Amang, Ines. Dala ko ng kayamanan ng hinihiling ninyo sa akin. Ito nga po pala ang aking ina.
Mabuti naman pinatunayan mong karapat dapat ka para sa aking anak.
Ines ang aking ina. Parang naglalig mo.